Setting up this 5-minute website for your moving company is like getting a complete business in a box. It's built to bring you local moving jobs and help you charge higher prices for your moving services. Hi, I'm Dan, and I help companies like yours set up effective business websites that rank in Google, show up in Maps, and get you real calls and customers from your zip code.
You talking to me?
Yes, I'm talking to you, because you're probably trying to use a drag and drop website builder to save money on your website, right? But those builders take days, sometimes weeks, and they're not built to help you rank unless you drop $2 grand on an SEO expert, which kind of defeats the point of doing it yourself for cheap. That's why I switched to Zarla. It's $9 a month, no code, and you actually show up in Google when people search for things like movers near me or moving service in Nashville. The keywords are built in. The site is already optimized. Even if you've already started somewhere else, Zarla is still faster, simpler, and better for your business. Let me show you. Go to zarla.com on your phone or computer and just type in your moving company name. I'll do something like Mighty Movers. Choose your industry, and then type a short description of your business. Now Zarla is going to build your website for you automatically. When you get there, type in your phone number, since people do want to call you and you want to give them that opportunity. And then take a look at the website that Zarla created. Now, one of the things I love about Zarla is that it creates text for you. So if you don't know what to say, that's okay. You just create a new section and it will write the text and sometimes add images. Now you can also add your own images or generate new images in Zarla itself. So there's no stress if you don't have photos ready or you don't have text ready. Now I want to show you just a few things you can do to customize it yourself. Go to your header, click on logo, and then generate a new logo. I'm just going to find one that I like the look of, and of course you can upload your own logo if you want. I like that one. It's got a person in it and it looks pretty friendly. Next, go back and then click on layout. And this is where you're going to change the layout of your menu. There's a lot of options, but I think I'm going to stick with this one. It has the links in the middle and the button on the right. Going back, you can see you have a ton of other options, including colors. And I'm just showing you all these color palettes that are available. But let's choose something kind of bright and poppy. Yeah, I like that one. And then I also can change the fonts. You can look through all of these. I'm just gonna pick one that feels kind of friendly. It has a nice open shape to all the letters, and it still has some heft to it. Next, we're gonna go over to my hero section of my website. I'm gonna change the headline. Every section has a ton of customization you can do. For this hero section, I can change the background image to something. So I'm going to change the layout to make that happen. What I would really like is something with image on one side and text on the other. So I'm going to pick this one, and then I'm going to upload this image I have of a team of movers. And I'm going to crop it so that it's full height. That looks really nice. Yeah, I'm actually just going to remove that text. And then for my booking button, I'm going to find a quote sheet that I have here on my Google Drive. I'm going to copy the link and add it to the button. You can also add links to any booking site you want to use, any scheduler like Calendly or anything else. And the link just goes right in the button so that people can click on it. Next, I want to show you how to add an image. So I'm going to go to Add on the main edit menu and click on Image. You can see you get one automatically from the system, but I'm going to generate a new image. There's quite a few options, but I think I'm going to upload my own, which I'm pulling from my own computer. And that's going to upload for me there. And once it's uploaded, you can, of course, change the size of the image. So I'm making it fit within like a frame or a border. That matches the rest of my website. Now, if you're a moving company, you're definitely going to want to add your services. There's a section here that Zarla has generated for you, but you can add more. Just typing in the title of that service, which is storage, and a short description. You can see how it gets added at the end. And then I'm going to go over here and upload my own image for storage. Let's see, I want to change some of these other images as well. So I'm just going to quickly go through and change images. You can customize any part of this website. So I'm not going to go through every step, but just click on a section, upload a new image if you want to, or change the title or text. It's super simple. Of course, with this services section, you can change the layout as well. So I'm going to choose these taller images. And that looks pretty good. Next, I'd like to add another call to action about halfway down the page. This keeps people focused on contacting you for a quote or asking questions. So I'm just going to go to add and then hero. And then I'm going to change the layout because I have a specific look in mind for this website. I'm going to choose one with an image on the left and text on the right. I'm going to type a new title in here and just delete the text. And then what we have here is a nice little call to action right in the middle of the website. And I'm going to upload another image for this, so it doesn't use the default image. And there we go. Again, I'm using my quote sheet as the link for that button, but you can use any kind of booking app that you already use for your moving business. Now, if you ever want to add a new section that has like a list of information or a list of features, you can do that by clicking on add and then just choosing this services section again. Services is kind of the catch-all for it, but it can be anything you want. And in this case, I'm going to say, let's see, I'm going over here. I'm going to make some cards, I think. And I'm going to change the headline. And this is just something that you might want to do as well to kind of show your prices. But I want people to contact me for a quote for this moving company. And so I'm going to add some prices on each title and a short description of what they are. Now, once I've done that, I think I want to get rid of this last one and just click remove. Now, if you want to use a pre-existing template, Zarla has those as well. You can go to the link in my description and just choose a template that is already made for you. Or you can let Zarla generate a website for you with a design and text that's specific to your business. The important thing is that once your website's done, and it only takes a few minutes, you can publish it right away. There's no hosting hassles, no domain hassles, and if you're building websites for clients, of course, it creates the text and the images for you, which means you don't need to bug your clients very much. You can see everything looks really professional. There's images all throughout. There's multiple calls to action. And yeah, it looks really good. It has my prices. It has a description of what those cost and why. When you're ready to publish, click on Go Live. There's a discount code right now for 10% off. And then click the button to select Pro for $9 a month. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe. And if you've built a website with Zarla, I would love to see it. Leave a link down in the comments and I will check it out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.